Tools are a valuable addition to any garden, but there are a few elements that you need to get right to make it sparkle. Landscaper Greg Dowsett shares his take on tools and the design choices that you should consider when it comes to hard surfaces.
Today, let's take a quick look at what is arguably one of the most important parts of a swimming pool. Its surrounds. It's the area that takes the most traffic, allows the water to run off, and is the most visual part of the pool. If you have the luxury of being able to design and build a swimming pool from scratch, there are a number of considerations that one needs to take into account, such as size, proximity to the house, and the function that the swimming pool is going to serve. Take, for example, a simple rectangular swimming pool that one often sees with a skinny border of paving around it, a really traditional and classic look that is coming back into trend, by the way. That would look great placed in the middle of a large lawn area. However, it would look quite odd if it were placed near a house or right next to an entertainment area. If your pool is close to your house or you're designing it to be close to your house, then it should form part of your entertainment area and your surroundings, whatever you're using, should flow from one to the other. Now, let's consider 3 common materials that are used to create surrounds around swimming pools: paving, tiling, or decking. These come in many shapes and forms, so here are a few of my do's and don'ts when it comes to each of these materials. When it comes to paving, there are really 2 main types of pavers that one can use. More modern options are using concrete flagstones. More traditional options would be to use clay brick paving. Clay brick paving does tend to be a little bit more old-fashioned, but it is making a comeback and becoming more trendy. Concrete flagstones probably the most inexpensive materials to use on this list. However, clay paving bricks are great and incredibly long-lasting, but they are quite expensive. A must-do for me is preparation. Make sure that your paving is laid in cement mortar on a properly compacted subbase. This will minimize movement and cracking as the paving ages. Something to avoid is using a pressure cleaner on concrete flagstones. While this is okay to use on clay brick paving, what it does to concrete is it takes the surface off and it makes the pavers age a lot quicker. Tiling around a swimming pool can be considered an upmarket option, as it is quite expensive. The benefit of using tiles is that there's a greater range of styles, colors, and types available. I would highly recommend using a professional tiler to do your tiling around your swimming pool, as any imperfections will attract unwanted attention. It's also important to use non-slip outdoor tiles around your swimming pool. Lastly, let's chat about decking. Decking is a very versatile material to use around a pool and is one of my favorites. What I like about decking is that you can use it to overhang the side of a pool, water drains through it so it can be set up perfectly level, and it has a great aesthetic. What I would suggest you do, however, is use good quality materials, whether it's wood or composite, as both of these, if they are inferior, will warp. When using timber decking, it's important that you maintain a regular maintenance regime to preserve the timber for longer. If your swimming pool is in a very hot area, try avoid using composite decking as its surround, as this can get very hot and can actually burn your skin. So, follow these tips and tricks and enjoy many hassle-free memories around your swimming pool.
Remember that regular maintenance, using the correct products and tools are essential to keep your pool looking sparkling and inviting. Do it right and your swimming pool can take your garden to the next level.